Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you some of the basic terminal command in Linux terminal. I'm using Ubuntu for this demonstration, but this will work fine on any Linux operating system which has terminal commands. So let's get started. Just open your terminal, and the first command we are going to see is pwd. PWD stands for present working directory, and as the name suggests, it just gives you the present working directory in which we are in. So by default, we are in home folder or on Ubuntu. Okay. Now, for example, you want to list out all the directory in your home folder. Okay, so what you can do is you can give the command ls for listing out whatever files or directory are there in this Ubuntu home folder, home Ubuntu folder. Okay, so just give ls and press enter, and it gives all the folder and document in this Ubuntu folder. Right now, if you want to see the hidden files, this only shows the non-hidden files by this command. So if you want to show the hidden file also, what you can do is you can give the command ls minus a stand for all, list all, and you can see it will just print out all the files and which are hidden or not hidden, all the files in the terminal. Now our terminal looks like full, right? So to clear your terminal, you can just give the command clear, then it will clear your terminal. Okay, so what is the command for clearing? Just write clear on the terminal. Now once again, let's list out all the directories, and for example, so in the current folder in which we are in, it has desktop folder, documents folder, and music, public, videos. Okay, so for example, you want to go inside your downloads folder, or let's go to the documents folder first. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to give this command cd. So cd stand for current working directory, and then give the name of the folder in which you want to go. Okay, so first you need to list out this these folders, and if this folder is present there, then just write cd, then document and slash. So whenever you write doc here and press tab also, it will auto complete your search. So for example, you write doc and press this tab button, it will complete your search like this, and press enter, and now you are in documents folder. Let's see what is there in documents. There is nothing in the documents, so let's make a directory in your document folder. So for making the directory in the folder, you need to give this command mkdir for make directory, and then you need to give the name of the directory. So just I will give the name of the directory as test and press enter, and now I will list out all the directories in documents, and I can see there is a new directory created called test. Now for example, I want to go into this directory. Once again, I will write cd and I will write test. For example, look here, I'm giving this in capital letter, which doesn't matches this test folder, which is t and small est. I'm giving all capital, and what happens? It will give you error because Linux is case sensitive. Whenever you want to go into some folder in Linux, you need to give the exact spelling of the folder, not in capital letter or not in small letter, exact spelling. So once again, when I give cd test, and we are in this directory. Now for example, I want to go back one document up. So right now I'm in test directory, you see here. So in here this shows that in which directory you are in. This tilde sign, if you can see here, this is a small sign. It indicates that we are in our home folder, and in home folder we are in documents, and in document we are in test folder. Now once again I want to go to the last folder, that is document. Right now we are in test folder, right? So for going one folder up, you need to give this command cd space then dot dot. Okay, so space is not like this, cd dot dot, this is not the command is cd space dot dot, and then you will go one folder up. You see earlier we were in test folder, and right now we are in document folder. Now for example, let's list out once again. We have test folder inside document, and we want to delete this directory once, this test directory which we have created. So for removing this directory you need to give this command rmdir and give the name of the directory, which is test, and press enter, and this command will remove the directory in your document folder. So this command will remove the test directory, I would say, in your folder. And now when you ls or list out the content in the document, and you don't have anything in the test. Now for creating document, there is a command called nano. This is the software which is pre-installed in Ubuntu. So whenever you give this command nano, so this nano is a editor, terminal editor in Ubuntu, which is pre-installed in Ubuntu or any Linux system. I'm talking about Ubuntu right now. Okay, so when you give this nano command here and press enter, you can make any file here. So for example, I write hello world, and for saving this file I will just give the command control X. You see here, for exiting I need to give this command control X. So just give control and just press X, and it will ask you whether you want to save this file. I will say yes, so I will write yes or Y, and then it will ask me the name of the file which I want to give. So I want to give my file name as HW for hello world. Okay, file name is HW, and I press enter, and we are outside from our nano editor. Now when I list out all the contents in document folder ls, I can see this file called HW inside my folder. And once again, if I want to see the content of HW, once again I will give this command nano HW. So just give nano and then give the name of the file you want to open and press enter, and you see we have entered hello world in this text which we have created, and control X will exit. Now suppose you want to remove this file, what you need to do is you just need to give rm and then give the name of the file. So rm and then give hw, and whenever you give this command it will remove your file. So once again I will list out all the contents in the folder, and I see here there is no folder. Okay, so these are some of the basic commands in Linux, and I was showing this tutorial on Ubuntu. You can use this on Linux Mint or all Debian Linux operating system, and just practice these commands on other Linux systems. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.